No! I put the shop inside.
No, why did you throw it there? It should be thrown here.
Because I don't want.
Get tissue. Here's your tissue.
And I'll be the one gonna stir.
Ayun. Ako talaga mag-stir.
May I stir the egg?
Oh, sure. Stir the egg.
It's yummy.
Sige. It's not yet smashed, ha?
Sorry.
Ayaw magbian-bian, ha? Tumaisip po mo, Mari. It's not good there. You blow your nose over there. Don't look at the camera.
Can I stir?
Let's make sure that these things are